Alright guys, this is an audio test at the same time, just to see if you could pick up my voice, because I haven't got any external microphones, because the rig system exposes the insides, which I'm not happy about, so it's very moist in this area, so I don't feel comfortable doing that. Anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse at this angle. The GoPro's on the Santian C6. No, CFB1. So it's quite high up, it's not windy, so I'll show you using the S8 what the setup looks like. Alright, so I'm going to do a speed lapse of me cooking some food. Alright. So I'll have one more beer, a smoke, and then that's it. I'll break down the tent and everything, and then I'll have, if the embers are good there, then I'll cook a coffee there, and then I'll bring the rest of the gear back to the car. Then I'll do a flog by the river over there, and then I'll go to Bella Tour. So catch you in a bit, guys.